we got all the wires extended so I can actually do something with them. Now we're gonna work on routing them where they look better. It's pretty convenient. Most of these bikes have a second spot for a relay switch, but the relay for the compressor and shocks fit in there pretty nice. We've decided to upgrade the airlines on the shocks from the 1/8 inch that they came with to the 1/4 inch that we ordered. So new fittings, new airlines. Here's the new ones. There's a size comparison. Oops. Okay, we have upgraded compressor, upgraded to 1/4 inch lines through the whole system. There's the valve releases. Everything's tucked away nice. We had to replace the regulator switch so the tank can hold up to 200 PSI because the shocks weren't lifting any load on them. So let's see if that works.